So I noticed my F350 truck was sounding funny. Take a look at this. Oh man, that is not good. Obviously I put some wire on it just to keep it from falling off, but now that I'm working on it, I noticed this as well. This clamp is completely rusted through, and so the whole muffler can move, as well as the entire tailpipe. I also noticed this clamp is completely disintegrated, and I think it went up there. So holy cow, everything is rusted right out, so I need to fix this. That does not look very good. Just something random, but look at this. Whoever put this piece of wood on used tiny little nails. What an idiot. And my ice scraper was too heavy and it dropped, but look where my Chevelle is. Whew, that could have been bad. So I cut back the muffler as far as I had to because there was quite a lot of rust right in here, and I found there's basically 3 layers of metal. There's the outer shell right here, the inner 4-inch pipe, which I thought comes out, but it does not. And then in between, if you see that, there's like this layer of metal, which is all rusted out and it just basically chips off. So what I decided is we're going to weld onto this piece right here, since that's just a simple 4-inch pipe. And unfortunately, I couldn't find any 4-inch pipe around the city. And that turned out to be a waste of time anyways, because I had this sucker laying in my garage the entire time. So, with my impressive welding skills, we are going to weld that onto there and then put it all back together. So we can see how we did on our welding. I did tack it with the MIG welder because I had trouble getting a ground. But from there I TIG welded it. And as expected, it doesn't look all that great, but there is penetration. I think it will hold just fine. But yeah, so I can go ahead and throw a coat of paint on it just so it doesn't rust anymore. And then we can put it on the truck. By test fitting our new exhaust, we know where to cut our old exhaust, which I'm going to do that right about here. So I got a pair of these clamps off of Amazon for 30 bucks Canadian. Not bad for 2 considering they're stainless steel, but that's what we're going to use to clamp on our muffler. I'm going to need another clamp right here, but I only bought 2 just to make sure that they worked okay, so I'll do that later down the road. So that's another project done. We got to use the welder, which is always pretty fun. I'm glad we got it all fixed up. We don't have to worry about it falling off, and it sounds a whole lot better, especially in the truck. So if you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.